Welcome to Rwanda.
Hi.
Back at it again with another one.
Yeah, episode 2 of Rwanda. Right now it's like 7? 8. It's 8, yes. Pickup points, City Oil, Cafe Jabbas, and yeah, then we head off. So stay tuned. Got shawarmas, those snacky snacks. Where'd you go?
Done.
It's my second choice. First is obviously the shawarma, chicken shawarma.
Are you recording?
When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see by your heart. I see. Come, baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, we reached the border and we are checking into Kigali.
Immigration center.
Yeah, so
If we don't make it, it's my fault.
don't even start. I need to see Kendrick. As you can see here, we're gonna change our money. These are our bags. The car is being checked
Is
in.
it an ATM?
No, it's not. It's a bank.
It's a bank? What's a bank?
Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Take your welcome to our national. Shut us down.
All you want is she's freaking at me. If fuck boy can't take a picture.
Dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need.
The view. And the view. Hi. Okay, so I've been forgetting to record, but we've just eaten. We had what I call brunch. It was breakfast basically. It's 11ish, almost midday, barely slept, so tired. And we're just checking into our Airbnb. That's what's happening. I'm okay beats in my head.
What's gonna happen now?
Yeah. Okay, as you can see, we finally reached our Airbnb, but guys, these people got us fucked up. First of all, it was already late. Just been dilly-dallying and passing time. It does look cute, but it's like after the wait, literally parked outside for like 20 minutes waiting for them to open the gate. Anyways, yeah, so now we're going to take a power nap, charge our phones before we go out to eat again. So this is us, all sort of coincidentally matching. So we're now headed to Boho Lounge, which is the same place we went to last time. We're gonna eat, have some drinks before we go for the concert. And yeah, I guess cheers to an amazing weekend. It's a week, sorry, amazing Wednesday.
Eating to take it literally. No, it's like this. So I can fuck the world for 72 hours and damn I got bitches. My mind living on cloud 9 and this 9's never on vacation. I started that Maserati and vroom, I'm racing. You see this hat? It's K what?
Kampala,
K-Dot.
Kendrick.
No,
What
K-Dot.
else did I say?
K-Dot.
Why do people call them that? Is that like a nickname?
It's his name. There's a babe who lives here. I asked her, Kendrick Lamar or
Said
Kendrick
who?
Lana?
That's it.
She said more like K-Don't.
What does that even mean? Was it? No, pull it. Just not recording now. No, pull up. No. There was such a vibe to what we were doing. So right now we're at
Choma'd Bar and Grill.
yeah. I'm looking here, but the camera is here. But it's uncomfortable to face here. We're eating to lay the foundation because it's good before you drink. Write that down.
Guys, first of all, tell me who does this. Like, you know, when you order in with someone, you must never get the same meal. So,
What we did is we each got different meals and we're gonna split because I don't know. That's
what was
girl math.
all.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Our gin-based drink.
Black.
Yeah, because we've chosen to drink gin, so might as well stick to just
my vlog is here. Came with the gang. Where are we, man? I find the way.
Think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love?
Okay. Do you know how I've struggled to find a mirror just to see ourselves? But all the time is like short mirrors. Even in the Airbnb that we're staying at, it's like a small mirror and it's so low. Guys, let's get ready for Kendrick.
So right now we're headed to a concert. Super excited, super nervous.
K-Don't or K-Don't?
Kanye, sorry. I meant to say Kendrick. Yes, that's what we're doing.
Wait, the jam is.
Yeah.
It's only right that we do it all on this stage, you know? I want y'all to make some noise for the dances tonight.
That's just how I feel. Hey, Dynamite, say fuck them niggas that you gave me with. That's just how I feel. Hey, Dynamite, just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Hey, Dynamite, turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
When we break the code, no way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one not to get the stone. No way. Love one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch.
Hi. So just a little debrief on how the concert went. My phone actually did die while we were there, guys. I was recording non-stop. It's like just when you think you've got that winning shot, he does something cool again and you need to just pull out your phone. The concert was great. I love how organized it is. Compared to Uganda, I saw the concert I've attended was pretty organized. They didn't sell alcohol though, they just sold soft drinks and beer, soda, those things. They had some snacks as well. Although I wasn't hungry while I was there, so that doesn't even matter. And yeah, guys, you would think he was only going to sing 10, 11 songs. He really did. I think all his hits and some. So it was amazing. If I'm being fully honest, I feel like to me, Kendrick, I know his hits. I'm the kind of person who will know his hit songs, but I'm not a diehard fan. So I didn't actually know all the songs he sang. That's the truth. But I still had fun. His stage presence was great. He was amazing. The energy was high. The backup dancers, and it was like I was watching theater. Due to lack of a better word, it was like I was watching theater. Like the way the little dancers were moving and guys. And yeah, so now today we're going bowling first in a few minutes. I'm already dressed. This cute orange skirt and white top. After we're going for brunch because we are hungry. Probably swim as well. We did pack our costumes. The weather is 50-50, so we'll see how we feel. But yeah, so stay tuned. So it's very hot. Took a power nap in the car and we've now reached the bowling alley place. It looks interesting.
Like it doesn't look like it's a bowling.
I know, I'm literally wondering where we'll be.
Clearly says Mamba Bowling Alley right there.
So,
Like, subscribe, and follow. Like, subscribe, and follow.
Make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. When we become, oh girl, I wanna make me dead. I feel like making you, oh no. I feel like making you, oh baby, I know.
a few words from our winner. Yeah, so this is not a video for my YouTube.
Taking a hold of me for sure. When we become, oh girl, I wanna make it. I feel like making you. Oh no no, I feel like making you. Oh baby, I know
Okay, so we've reached the retreat. Change of plans. We had first gone to a normal, but they were having some kind of graduation.
If you look at the pictures of the pool at home, it looks so nice.
What do they call those pools? The infinity pool. Yeah. But oh well.
Do you want to swim? Do you want to eat
Found
first?
a nicer place that we're going to swim at. Stay tuned.
It's called the retreat. It's worth my kidney.
Check it out on Instagram.
The retreat.
Sorry, what is it?
It's cucumber, tomato, and chickpeas.
oh baby, I know
Hey guys, we're at my aunt's house in Rivero and we are hosting, it was supposed to be lunch but early dinner. So yeah, we'll just got some wine, some food going around for those who haven't eaten. Some people are on the way back to Kampala. I've got people coming in and out.
Yeah, so we're here for a good time.
We're here for a good time. The view is beautiful, you know, the dogs are dogging.
Throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
So Paula, what is it giving?
So, we're at the hills.
What hills are we on?
You know, the thing is, mine doesn't
Be careful, there's dog shit.
Mine doesn't. Like, whenever I be there, say, spitting bars, mine just shuts me down.
No, it's just she just says these things that
Like,
don't make
the other
sense.
time,
Like,
no, they make sense.
we
because
landed. Took the bus my English. She said we landed in Kigali. Anyway,
Just make me prosper.
no fake promo.
So you are Maya's biggest fan, so I've been following her since day 3.
Okay, yeah, because you weren't there from the beginning. That's the truth. That's the
Like
truth.
since day 3. So I'm happy to be part of it.
Cheers to the camera.
Cheers to me, to the family.
Oh, shit.
Thank you. He got it. He got it.
This is
Maya to the world.
Rwandan vlog part 2. So let's see what she has in store for
Like
us.
and subscribe. Like and
Planned
subscribe.
vlog.
Like and subscribe, comment,
Subscribe.
share everything.
Endorse that message.
Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now. Damn, I guess I am. I am. Go ahead and get undressed. I am. Okay.
Hey guys, I look like a whole mess. My god, okay. Anyway, we're at the border on our way back. You guys are there going through thingy. We've been here for like an hour. We move. Yeah, so bye.
You're not allowed to record, so this is quick, but we're heading to my grandpa's village for the night to sleep.
Oh, I missed that part.
Now see, what kind of a trip did you do?
What kind of YouTuber am I?
Yeah, so that's where we're going.
Just nonsense.
Just to catch some rest, because it's quite early. Right now it's Uganda time, midnight, and we're tired and cold. Anyway, yeah.
They've been taking me, bro. Tell me again.
Hi guys. Yeah, it's a new morning. Waking up with Rubaya, Mbarara. And yeah, we're showered, freshened up, and we're going to go see the goats and ducks and the animals that don't require gumboots. But yeah, stay tuned.
I know what they like, so I just keep seizing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got
Okay, so my vlog is coming to an end. We are about to leave my grandpa's village, and any words, Leon?
I don't know.
Leon!
I don't know. try to think of something in sport.
Okay, anyways, it's been a great trip. Exhausted, finding time to go back to Kampala. And yeah, if you watched until the end, thank you very much.
Like, comment, subscribe.